In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an infographics using a simple prompt using this AI tool called Lovart.ai. So basically, this is very similar to Cursor AI or Firebase Studio where you can create an app by prompting. But this one is for creating a design or a visual content with just a simple prompt. And of course, you can go back and forth using this AI tool to optimize your design. So you can navigate to Lovart.ai and then you can sign up using your email or your Google account. However, there is one thing that I think it is worth mentioning. When I'm recording this video, this tool is still in beta, so not everyone can actually start using the tool right away. But I still recommend you guys to just create a free account, and hopefully in a day or two, you will receive an email telling you that you can start using Lovart.ai to design anything. And even though there is a way to get it faster by using an invite code, unfortunately, the invite codes that I have already exhausted. All the users have been using these invite codes, so I cannot provide you any more invite codes. But hopefully, you can randomly find some invite codes on X or on Facebook, and you can start using Lovart.ai right away. Now, assuming that you are able to sign up and start using this tool, then here's how you can create an infographics with a simple prompt. So the prompt that I'm going to use is this one: generate a type of infographics. Now, I think this is very important because there are so many styles of infographics. So let me show you a few of them. So there is statistical, there is informational, timeline, process, comparison, geographic, list, hierarchical, flowchart, and data visualization. So you can navigate to, let's say, Google Images and see some examples. But for this video, I'll try to use process infographics. So I'm going to go back to Lovart and I will explicitly mention that I want to create a process infographics. Now, the topic here is that just the topic that you want AI to generate. In this case, I'll try to generate a topic about, let's say, how to fix if your PC can't connect to Wi-Fi. So that's a topic, and I think the type, which is process, is quite appropriate for the topic. Now, I also want to add some visual relevant elements, concise text, and interesting design and color choices. A big picture in the middle to draw attention, and I prefer to use color theme, orange and green, but I'm going to replace it with blue and let's say white. So that's the prompt. You can pause this video and then you copy this, or you can check the video description to get this full prompt. And I do recommend to enable internet search because this AI is actually able to gather data from the internet. So I do recommend you to just enable that option. Now send a message and just wait for the AI to start designing the content. This will take quite some time, potentially up to 10 minutes. But basically, you don't have to do anything. Just wait until finished, and then you can provide some feedback, or you can request AI to change the design or change something from the content, and it will do it right away. So I'll just show you the first iteration of the design. All right, so this is the first iteration of the design. Honestly, not quite great, but you can always ask AI to change the design. So in this case, I'll ask AI to make the design more trendy, and I prefer to have an abstract background image. Replace the Wi-Fi icon with a real picture. Now send a message and just wait for the AI tool to change the design, and I'll show you the result in a moment. Alright, so this is the result of the second iteration. Honestly, there are a few things that I like, but there are also a few things that I didn't like. Like, for example, this area is just empty, and I asked it to crop that area, but it is creating me another design that I guess it's cropping that empty area, but it is also changing a lot of things. So that's basically the current state of AI 5 design. I gotta say, it's not perfect, but it is nice that we have AI that can design anything by just prompting. And by the way, if you want to download this as a picture, you can click the export button, or you can also right click and download the image, and you can use it for your social media or your website. So that's essentially how you can create an infographics using Lovart.ai. And if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more AI tutorials in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.